Welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression. So I have finally get this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G for the Malaysian market. So a little bit side note, this device in Malaysia is priced at 1,098 ringgit Malaysia and it's still sealed. So let's get onto it, shall we? I'm gonna cut it open. Okay, good. So we have opened it, and basically for the box, it just tells some of the features where it has 45-watt fast charging, which they are calling all-round fast charge 2.0 with 20-watt wireless mag charge. Then it has a 3D curves 120 Hz refresh rate AMOLED display with 108 megapixel main camera with OIS. So powering this device is the Dimensity 720 5G. Great. And then for the speakers, they are sound by JBL. Yeah, it's a stereo speaker setup. Nice. Then it has active halo. Okay, done about the features of the device. Let's unbox it. Check it out. So here you go. Firstly, the box you get. Okay. So let's check out this box. What does it actually offers? So as usual, you have your SIM injector toolkit here, paperwork, whoops, and a sticker over here. Yep. So you have all the stickers over here. Then you have this casing for you to connect to the wireless charging, and a tempered glass. Wow, what a package. You really get everything in this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. Okay, so now to the next part. So we take out the phone first, and I'm gonna keep it aside. I want to check out what's underneath the box. Okay, you take this out, and voila, here you go. You got the adapter over here, 45-watt adapter. Nice. And then your cables are here. That is cool. So I don't think I'm gonna show too much. So basically, USB Type-C to Type-A cable for you to attach on the adapter itself. Nice. So, moment of truth. We gotta take this out. Ooh, nice. Voila. Vintage green. Awesome. Looks awesome. So there is no screen protector being attached onto this device, but you do have that tempered glass being offered in the box. So you can attach it by yourself. But for these review purposes, I'm not going to attach it because I need to return the loan unit as well. Yeah. So let me give my thoughts on the design again. For me, I think this device feels really premium, and thanks to that slim profile. So if you really look at the side here, it's so slim. And if you look on the right side over here, the power button and the volume rocker, man, that's amazing. And on top of it, yeah, you got the speaker grill, the IR blaster, the microphone, and also the JBL logo. Yeah, sound by JBL. Awesome, fantastic. So your SIM card slot is at the bottom, right beside to the USB Type-C charger and also the speaker grill. I like how it feels, to be honest, and with the vegan leather, awesome, just fantastic. So it's already around 24 hours with this guy here. Let's talk about the Infinix Note 40 Pro. So for this device, I would say the design-wise is really good for long period of gripping. So I did go for an event and take it for some snapping, use it a little bit, and I find it's really engineered quite well for hand grip. That's a good point. And I really dig the slim thickness of this device. Truly amazing. And I also need to highly praise the free included back cover case over here that also has the vegan leather as well. It is nice out of the box. Really incredible. So that is the overall grip and the design feel of it. And then let's talk about the display. For the display, I think it is quite bright and the colors, the vividness on this display, splendid. Just good enough for content consumption and also mobile gaming as well. Now, if we are going to head over to the stereo speakers over here, which are sound by JBL, I think it sounded actually pretty good for a mid-range smartphone. Clarity, everything, just on point. Yeah. Though I felt like the volume could be a little bit louder. So I'm going to show you a sample. Let's watch it right now. So I'm going to play a YouTube video with the speakers max up, and this is the volume. So now let's talk about the cameras on this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. For photography, the rear main camera shows amazing photos, but I do notice that it tends to be slightly overexposing most of the shot, especially during bright daylight shots. So I would highly suggest you to lower the exposure slider, and then you will get truly accurate, natural looking photos that you are seeing with your eyes. Yeah. And for the selfie camera, I would have to say that the photos do look amazing. HDR works amazingly over here, and yeah, quite easy to use and upload to your social media. But I only have one gripe about their photography. Okay, they can't shoot in 16:9 aspect ratio, so you are only limited to either full screen, 4:3, or 1:1 photos. Yeah, just that minor gripe about it. And there is also a macro camera as well. Photos look okay-ish, but yeah, you would be rather to use the full 108 megapixel main camera, shoot it, and then you just do a zoom crop onto it. It looks even much better if you want that amazing high quality close-up shot on this Infinix Note 40 Pro. And then let's talk about the video experience. So front and the rear cameras can shoot up to 2K 30 frames per second. Video quality looks good, but the built-in mics left a little bit more to be desired. This video is being recorded with a front-facing camera on this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G in 2K 30 frames per second. This is the video and audio quality during bright sunny day. What do you think? This video is being shot with the rear main camera on the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G in 2K 30 frames per second. This is the video and the audio quality. What do you think? For me, I think it's a little bit overexposed. So I'm gonna come back over here and lower down a little bit on the exposure. Now it looks more true to tone. So that's it for the quick impression on this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. Remember, this is not a full review, therefore I skip up some of the things in terms of like battery life, performance, and so much more. Remember, all these are just only my quick impression within 1 day of using it. And to be honest, not bad from what is being priced at 1,098 ringgit Malaysia. And definitely, if you are looking for a mid-ranger today and you want to feel the premiumness of it, yeah, I think I would easy to recommend it, even though I just use it for 1 day. Pretty value for money. Okay, so I think I don't want to take up too much time for you guys. Do check out the YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting occasional contents about this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. And as usual, I know you guys are going to check out the gaming as well. So stay tuned for that. And for now, I need to bid you guys farewell. Name is Yat Kean from Trend Ground. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel and also follow us on the social media pages. We are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, aka Twitter, name it, we are there. Last but not least, head to the website, go and read all the news articles that's written by me, happening in Malaysia and internationally as well. And now, seriously, I need to bow to you guys and sign off.